Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making omelette. I will just open the sardine up, pour out the liquid and start mixing. Here I will use a fork to mash the fish before adding the egg. I will add knorr cube here. I will add some vegetables as well. Here is vegetable oil in a pan. I will start by adding onion to it, then followed by tomatoes and pepper. I'll close it to steam for some minutes. Here I'll flip with a pan. I'll leave it for some minutes. Here it's all done.